You searched how to buy shares of Aurelia Metals Ltd. Aurelia Metals is an Australian mining and exploration company focused on base metals and gold. Its shares trade on CBOE AUS under the ticker AMI.ASX. This video is for educational purposes and is not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can make a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker AMI.ASX to locate the listing. Confirm the result shows Aurelia Metals Ltd on CBOE AUS to ensure you've selected the correct share. Open the asset page to review basic company information and a price chart, checking sector and market details. Make sure the company name, exchange CBOE AUS, and ticker AMI.ASX match before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and any fees, then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, the link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to visit the platform.